Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the average function inside of Microsoft Excel. So for the purpose of this video, what I wanted to do is to use those the numbers that are here, and what exactly we're going to do. We are going to calculate the average for this function. So pretty simple. Also for the purpose of this video, I'm using random numbers, so each time that I refresh, as you can see, the numbers will change. So the average function is pretty simple to use. The way you use it is you simply write down equal, and here you can write down average. And just like that, we can open up the parentheses, and you can select all the numbers that you want to use. In our case right here, we want to use all numbers that we have here. And as you can see, the average of all those numbers will be 3. So if I run it again, it's going to be 2.857, etc. So just like that, I can have the average that is calculated for my function average and for all the numbers that I have right here. Another thing that I can do with the average function is also calculating the average of some of the numbers here, so not all of them, so a little bit like the vith function. So I can just write down here average, and I can select the numbers that I want to use inside of my calculation. So I just select number by number, so number 1, comma number 2, and comma, let's say this number right here, and just like that I have the average of 3 numbers instead of all those numbers. So if I refresh, as you can see, just like that, I'm able to have the different averages that I want for the numbers that I want as well. So as always, if you like this video and if you found it informative, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.